two birds, Larry and Pete, were chatting mid-flight. "Why do we fly thousands of miles every year?" asked Larry. Pete, with a twinkle in his eye, replied, "Well, Larry, it's not just for the warmer weather." Larry looked puzzled. "Then why?" Pete chuckled, "Because the food's better, and I heard there's a bird spa with free worm massages." Larry laughed. "I knew there was a catch." As they soared, Larry thought, "Next time, I'll book a first-class seat." Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.